I'm glad there are 3 of you, but I've got 4 pay envelopes. Inside each one is a prize. You each pick one. I get whichever one is left over. Which would you like? Want number 2? Certainly. Oh, you want number 4? Here you go. You want 1 or 3? Number 1, that leaves 3 for me. Everybody open it and see what you got. Pardon me while I pretend to be one of the volunteers. Doesn't matter which, they're all the same. Pull out your envelope, and inside is a business card. Now I get to open mine. Inside mine is the money. Yay me. Okay. This one's super easy. Doesn't matter which one they pick, I get my money. Always set this up, depending on however many you want. I've seen it done with 4 or 5, however many. Large envelopes. I prefer brown. I actually prefer blank on both sides, but these, I couldn't find any, and these say pay envelopes, so they're kind of fun. You number them 1 through 4. Inside, you have smaller brown envelopes. They call these coin envelopes here. I'm not sure why. I use them to carry playing cards. These are good for packet tricks. Inside each, I put a business card for now. I'll put something cuter for later. All 4 envelopes get one of these. Doesn't matter which one, they all get the business card. Number them 1 through 4. For my reference, I also number them on the back, just so I don't have to think about it in case they get mixed up somehow. If they get out of order and I don't realize it, and they say number 4, still know which one it is. I number it just for myself. Secret is the 5th envelope. This has the money, and it never goes in any of these. So it doesn't matter which ones of these they pick. This is always mine. Super, super easy. It goes right there. No matter which one they pick. If they pick 1, 2, or 3, you just hand them out. Not a problem. If they pick number 4, you just shift it over and then give them that one. Eventually, you end up with 1. Whichever one it is, doesn't matter. Inside this one is the losing ticket, whatever it is you put in. Outside is the money. So it doesn't matter. When you open it, put your fingers in, thumb is on the outside. You go down, you leave the one inside, and you pull this one. Don't go to the side, just come straight out with it, and they'll think you pulled it out. Doesn't matter which one, you always win. I like this as like a starter. It's a good first thing. You bring some people up, you get them talking, you show that you're friendly, you're joking, you're laughing. You can drag this out and play with them. You can do a lot with this. Make the routine longer and more fun. And it lets them know you're here. You're talking to them. You're personable. You're all about having fun, and you ain't giving them your money. At least I'm not. Takes nothing to make it. The only expensive part is however much money you put in, and as long as you don't give it away, it didn't cost you anything. It's a money trick. It's a good icebreaker. Like I said, I like starting off a routine with it. Do this as the first or second trick just to kind of set the tone for the rest of the show. I just keep them stacked together. This one on the outside, rubber band around it. You're good to go. Have fun. Keep practicing. For more detailed instructions and pictures, please visit the blog at FreeMagicFun.com. Keep practicing.